My name is Skylar Nofsker, and today we're going to be going over the 9240 bubble up installation. So once you climbed up into your combine, you're just going to climb into your grain tank up here so that you have access to your bubble up. So on this bubble up, you're going to install with these bolts. So you're going to put 4 bolts at the top, 2 on each side here, then 4 bolts at the bottom, 2 on each side here.
Start by removing the top bearing and flange on the auger. Remove the cross member bracket and pull outward off the spline shaft. The auger may be stuck from the shaft being rusty. It will take some force to remove. Slide the liner in from the top of the housing and align it flush with the top and bottom cutouts. After it is lined up, clamp the liner in place tight to the housing. Fasten the liner in place by drilling 3/8 holes near the top and bottom areas shown. Then fasten with nuts, bolts, and the washers provided in the kit. After the liner is fastened, seal the top of the liner off with sealer or silicone to ensure grain doesn't sift between the wall of the liner and the trough. Finish by reinstalling the auger, the bearing, and the brackets.
Thank you for watching our Ihle Fabrications bubble up install video. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to reach out.